right off the bat, let's get what this video is about. Then whatever other kind of talking I do it at the end of the video. It's about what my dog did recently. My puppy, Kid here, dug a hole in my couch. Yes, a hole. Don't eat that. I'm gonna show you that hole right about now. We're gonna take the whole frame. Well, actually, yeah, we'll try to do the whole frame. I gotta remember to do that in post. Yes, he dug a hole. It ain't a giant hole. It ain't exactly a small one either. But yeah, what happened was, this happened the other day. And the strangest thing, let me tell you. The other day I went to use the restroom, and like I've done 100 times before, and usually Kit just, you know, plays with his toys or sits on the couch. I'm in the bathroom, which bathroom right next to the living room, and you have the grass cat. And I'm hearing something sound like digging. I was like, oh crap. I didn't know what the heck he was into. I come out of that bathroom, he's in digging, but I was like, Kid, no! Looks up at me like, well, damn, Dad, I thought it was one of my toys. He dug a hole in my couch. Now, the bad thing about that is, he's continuing on doing it. Yes, anytime I leave the room, anytime he has a second, he's back on that couch digging. And it doesn't matter what I put over the hole. He pulls that off and digs at the hole. He gets to the hole. Hey, ready? Come on. Let's talk a little bit about this couch. Oh my God, my back is killing me. But we'll get to that at the end of the video. My couch is about 1.5 years old, y'all. 1.5 years old. Now, if you go back, if you guys have been following my videos for a while, you remember my old dog Stormy. Well, when my old dog Stormy got sick, she had the back door trots real bad. And this is right after we got the couch. Shortly after we got the couch, she had used the restroom and evidently got some on her fur and came in and jumped on the couch, and I ended up with poo on my couch. So Kit's not the first dog that's had his way with the couch, so to speak. I'm probably in the shade, but we gotta stop for a minute. But this ain't the first thing my puppy's done to this couch either. He's got the corners of the couch pretty chewed up. You know, I'm gonna knock on some temporary wood here. And no, I'm not gonna put a sound effect to it. But he hasn't done that in the last 1.5 months. I'm surprised he hasn't done that in the last 1.5 months, but he hasn't. I even bought some extremely expensive spray stuff to keep him off. That worked for a little bit, then he started liking the smell and taste. Now, since the couch is, well, it ain't exactly fairly new because we've had it a little bit over 1.5 years, but still, it's a couch. And it's right where I sit. The only thing I can think of is, I eat there sometimes. Yeah, I'm one of these guys that don't eat at the kitchen table. No, I don't. I grab me some food and I go in, I sit on my recliner couch and I watch TV when I have lunch or suppers, and I eat right there. Only thing I can think of is, did food drop behind there? Then I got to thinking, oh hell no, he chews on everything anyway. Okay, I'm only gonna get a couple lap steaks and my back is killing me. But yeah, we got a toy the other day from Amazon. I'm gonna show that right here. Yeah, it cost 15 bucks. It lasted exactly 2 minutes with my dog. Can't give it back to him because once you rip into it, all that stuffing is stuff inside. Plus, he gets the strings from where the fabric was. And this toy was guaranteed to make it through hard chewers. I told Angie, my wife, I said, well, I guess our Kit's above a hard chewer. Am I angry at Kit for doing this? I'm a little disappointed. Oh, did I have the camera not on me? I'm a little disappointed. And the reason I'm a little disappointed is I thought my training was going super good. What was I thinking? No, I'm not angry. It happens. When you got a dog, a puppy, they will chew. I've had dogs in the past, although I don't think I've ever had one to chew the seat out of the couch. It's not bad, but what I have to do now is, if I got to use the bathroom or if I got to leave the room or anything, I have to put him in his crate. Yeah, because he cannot be trusted, because he's going to go right back over there again, no matter what I say right now, until I train him not. That's going to be almost impossible. He's going to go back over there, and he's going to turn that hole into a monster-sized hole. And next thing you know, I'll be sitting on springs. Then I might be a little angry, but not at him. Angry at myself for not doing something to begin with, because I blame me for this. I blame me for him chewing on the edges of the couch. I blame me, not him. Of course, when he chews up his toys, I do blame him for that. Alright guys, that's pretty much what happened. I am got a small window right now with no rain. We're supposed to have some severe thunderstorms after a while. And right now, the sun, as you notice, is out, is going to fuel them thunderstorms coming in. I also notice the older I get, the more my back hurts. Yeah, and it hurts more whenever we get damp weather, rainy weather. I noticed that. Why did it take me this many years? But I want to show you a beautiful sight of some cloud cover. Then we're going to end today's video. Look how beautiful that is. Whoo! All that's going to hit us probably in about another 15 minutes. Oh yes. This is behind a small pavilion. And I'm going to zoom right over here. The boat, or not the boat, the pool. They got all the lawn chairs out and everything. Hell, normally they don't open up the pool until May. Are they going to open up before then? I do not know. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. My next video, hopefully, if everything goes well, will be what I like to do, is adventures. I do have a day off, and I'm going to try my best to do something. Not mentioning what, so I don't want it to go to hell in a handbasket. I'm going to try to do something. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Leave comments down below. Tell me some of the craziest things your puppy or dog has chewed up. And has your dog ever chewed up a couch? And please hit that like button, folks. Please, it does wonders for this channel. And I do want my channel to grow a little bit, because the more I grow, the more people will come in that own dogs, and we could just have a dog finale. Because my puppy kit is pretty much in almost all my videos now. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm out of here. I feel dropped, so it's getting ready to rain again.